Welcome to Central Government Hospital, where malaria has been blamed for everything since
Citing What's Up University.
My brother, what's the problem?
Nurse, it's malaria. I know my body.
Okay, symptoms?
headache, stomach pain, vomiting, no appetite, back pain, chest pain small, leg pain.
This is not malaria. This is a committee meeting inside your body.
Malaria is common, yes, but not every sickness is malaria. If pain is persistent, worsening, or strange, come early.
So what should I do next time?
Come early. Don't diagnose yourself. And please, Google is not your uncle. Next, nurse, give me paracetamol.
For what?
Everything.
Paracetamol is not food. It is not water. It is not solution for heartbreak. Overusing painkillers damages the liver. Pain is a message. Don't mute it forever.